today I show you how to change the data type or check the data type of columns in Power BI. First, go to the column tab. Then I want to check the data type of age. So click on age. It's show text, but it's wrong. So I want to change it or number. It change the data type at whole number. It change whole number. Again, we want to change the data type of age group. So click on the button, then whole number. It will change the data type. It getting error. Sorry. You another way to change the data type. So go to the home tab, then transform, then select all the columns, Control A, then transform, detect data type. It will automatically detect all the columns data type in decimal number, whole number. It check automatically. So this way you will change the data type of the column. You can also change the data type on click on the number here ABCD. You can change the data type from here. So thank you.